Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you often work with PDF documents, you probably know how frustrating it can be when your PDF software is slow, complicated, or missing important features. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at SwifDoo PDF, an all-in-one PDF solution designed to help you read, edit, convert, and manage PDF files quickly and easily. SwifDoo PDF is a lightweight yet powerful PDF editor that gives you all the essential tools you need in one application. With this software, you can view, edit, convert, merge, compress, annotate, and even sign PDF documents without switching between multiple programs. One of the most useful features is its PDF editing capability. You can easily add or delete text, change fonts and colors, insert images, or add links directly inside your PDF file, almost like editing a document in Word. Another powerful feature is the PDF converter. SwifDoo PDF allows you to quickly convert PDF files into formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images, and it also works the other way around. This makes it much easier to reuse or edit your documents without losing the original formatting. The software also includes OCR technology, which means it can recognize text from scanned documents. So if you have image-based PDFs, you can convert them into searchable and editable files in just a few clicks. What's even more interesting is the built-in AI features. These tools can help you summarize long documents, translate text, explain complex content, and even assist with writing or proofreading directly inside your PDF. SwifDoo PDF also comes with several additional tools that improve productivity, including merging and splitting PDFs, compressing file sizes, adding annotations, and applying electronic signatures for faster document workflows. Another big advantage is that the software is very lightweight and fast, so it runs smoothly even on computers with modest specifications. And the best part is that it's available across multiple platforms, so you can manage your PDF files whether you're working on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, or Android devices. Overall, if you're looking for a simple, fast, and powerful PDF editor, SwifDoo PDF is definitely worth checking out. If you want to try it for yourself, you can find the download link in the description below. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more tips, reviews, and useful software like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.